Ever wondered how to make over $40,000 selling digital products on Etsy without stocking inventory? Today, I'll unveil an untapped loophole using AI that lets you create and sell thousands of designs effortlessly. Stick around to learn how you can turn this innovative method into a profitable online venture. Step 1. Understanding the overview. To keep you inspired, here are some of the success stories as a proof. Byron earned $38,711 selling digital t-shirt designs, and another person made $28,896 using the same method. You can do this too with a free ChatGPT and Google Drive account. I was surprised by how many people are making money this way. For example, Jazzman made $2,493 and another person made $40,200. Step 2. Setting up tools. First, you'll need ChatGPT to generate ideas. Then, use AI tools such as Runway ML or Leonardo to create images. Step 3. Setting up Etsy account. Next, we'll sign up for an Etsy account. Simply search for Etsy on Google and click Sign In on the website. You can also choose Continue with Google for an easier sign-up process. Unlike typical Etsy sellers who sell handmade crafts or clothing, we'll be using a unique Etsy method that's different from what you're familiar with. Once you've made your Etsy account, click on Get Started and then select Let's Do This. Next, choose I'm starting to sell for the first time. Scroll down and click Skip this question. Now, click on Start Your Shop and set your language preferences. For example, I choose US dollars since I'm in the United States. Next, we'll choose a name for our shop. I'll go with Design Elites. You can pick any name you like. It doesn't have to be special. Once that's done, your shop is all set up and prepared for this Etsy trick. We'll explore other successful Etsy shops to learn from their strategies. Allura is a valuable tool that analyzes Etsy store data to uncover earnings insights. For example, Epica has earned $28,896 by offering packs of 300,000 downloadable t-shirt designs rather than physical products. I'll guide you through replicating this strategy step by step in this video. Byron also follows this approach and has earned $38,711 selling digital t-shirt designs. Another example, Embroidery Gallery PDF, has made an impressive $222,450 with their graphic packs. This method utilizes AI technology to rapidly generate hundreds or thousands of unique design images. Next, we'll return to setting up your Etsy account, exploring potential earnings, and continuing our step-by-step guide to getting started. Step 4. Creating Etsy listing. So here's where we left off setting up our store. Now, it's asking us what type of item we're selling. As I mentioned, we're selling a digital file. Select Supply or Tool to make things and set the creation date from 2020 to 2024 since we're making it now. Click Save and Continue. Next, click Next. Here, enter the title of the item. I have a text file where I can copy and paste it. You can use something like Vintage Retro T-shirt Design Bundle. Include keywords like PNG files, custom apparel, DIY projects, digital, to help people find it in Etsy searches. Now, I'll upload some t-shirt designs. I'll show you how to generate these using AI shortly. I'm adding 10 images, but it's good to upload as many as possible. By the end, we'll have hundreds. Then, I'll add this description, which ChatGPT helped me write. The next step is to use AI to create all the images we're selling. You won't need to make any images yourself. They'll all be created by AI Step 5, using AI tools for image generation. Let's use ChatGPT to generate t-shirt ideas. No need to brainstorm yourself. It's given me 10 ideas, like a retro 60s muscle car. Next, I'll use Leonardo to create 8 designs for our t-shirt pack. You can download each one and keep generating more. Aim for at least 1,000 images, whether psychedelic, classic cars, or vacation scenes. This process takes time, clicking Generate until you have enough designs. ChatGPT's ideas help create a diverse range of t-shirt designs, but what I suggest for a quicker method is to register on Runway ML. This service allows you to make up to 1,000 images at once. This saves you from clicking repeatedly to create many designs. The downside is that Runway ML costs money. It's a bit more expensive, but it's worth it to save time. Let me show you. In Runway ML, I've entered the same request. Just click the batch button to generate hundreds of designs, not just a few. It costs $10 for every 100 images it makes. So, for 1,000, it's $100. Or you can pay $10 to create 100 at a time. A couple of tips. Avoid using words in your images. Runway ML and Leonardo AI struggle with text. These images look great, and you'll get hundreds for t-shirt designs. Click Download to save the designs to your computer. You'll need several days to create enough images. Aim for at least 1,000 in a folder for valuable packs. Those making thousands sell packs with thousands of images. Start with at least 1,000. Later, you can add more images or start selling. Next, upload images to Runway ML. Drag files from your computer to the window to generate the images you need. Step 6. Uploading to Google Drive. I assume you've dedicated time to create over 1,000 impressive t-shirt designs stored on your computer. To begin, click New, then select Folder Upload, and locate the folder named T-shirt Designs on your hard drive. This folder, totaling 2.5 GB due to its numerous images, contains all my designs. Simply click on it to initiate the upload process. Once uploaded to my Google Drive, I can efficiently share these designs with customers digitally. Let me demonstrate how this works. Step 7. Creating a delivery document. Next, click on New, then select Google Docs. Create a fresh Google Doc similar to this example. It should include a message like, "Thank you for shopping with Design Elites," which was our store name from earlier. This document will be sent to all customers. Since Etsy doesn't allow direct uploads of large files, we prepare a small document with a download link. This will become clearer shortly. Craft a Google Doc thanking them for their purchase and incorporate your store name. To access your purchased files, follow the link labeled Files Purchased, then click here to access your file. Now navigate to your Google Drive where we uploaded all the images. Locate the folder, click Share, then choose Share again. Change the sharing settings from Restricted to Anyone with the link. This link allows anyone to download the file. Copy and paste this link into the designated area. Click Apply. Now, anyone who clicks on it will directly access the folder on Google Drive containing all our designs. Afterward, click Download, then select PDF to export it as a PDF file, which is universally accessible. Here is the PDF. Clicking this link will directly lead to our Google Drive folder containing all our designs. Step 8. Setting up sales and expansion. Now, the next step is to integrate everything. In your Etsy store, access the product we set up earlier. Select Edit, navigate to Digital Files, click on Add File, and upload the PDF we just created. When someone purchases our digital product, Etsy automatically sends them this PDF we've prepared. This directs them straight to the PDF, granting access to the folder containing all the t-shirt designs. Click Save and Continue to finalize our first listing. For increased earnings, consider selling the same PDF on platforms like Redbubble or Zazzle. To grow your business further, collect email addresses from t-shirt companies buying your design packs. Build an email list for announcing new packs and offer subscriptions. Imagine providing 1,000 new designs monthly for a subscription fee. You can manage subscription payments through PayPal's business tools. Thanks for watching this video on maximizing your t-shirt design business with digital products. Now, here's a question for you. How do you plan to expand your design offerings? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips on affiliate marketing and business strategies using Amazon products. And remember, click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time.